Welcome to All Around Home Solutions, your trusted partner for storage solutions and window treatments for over 25 years. We design and install closets, pantries, and a wide range of innovative storage solutions that transform spaces into organized and efficient havens. With a rich history of excellence and a passion for enhancing your living spaces, we have consistently delivered top-notch craftsmanship and exceptional customer service. Join us on a journey to unlock the true potential of your home with storage solutions that stand the test of time. We also design and install window treatments and patio shades. We carry only the highest quality products to include Hunter Douglas, Louver Shop, and more to ensure our clients get the best window treatment solution for their homes. Brian Duke, owner of All Around Home Solutions, has been serving Atlanta and North Georgia homeowners with design and installation of closet systems, window treatments, patio screens, and outdoor shades since 2005. Explore our website to discover how we can bring order, style, and functionality to every corner of your life.